Crusader fans, Jack Campbell here. As always, welcome to the big show. This is CrusaderCenter. On Friday, the varsity basketball team defeated Providence St. 85-37. Khalil Ross, Nick Niego, Peter McShane, and Jaden Watson all scored in double figures. Good luck to the 13th ranked hooping Crusaders as they take on Montini, St. Francis de Sales, and Marian Catholic this week.
On Saturday, the varsity wrestling team competed in the Harvest Invitational. Bobby Conway and Tommy Bennett took home individual championships at 120 and 170 pounds. 5 other Crusaders had top 4 finishes with their weight classes, including James Bennett, Jim Crane, Nate Chirillo, Colin Ashley, and Mino Perez.
Last week, the varsity bowling team defeated Chicago Leo High School by the score of 2,338 to 1,803. Top performers for the Crusaders were Tom McMahon and Jeremy Gasca. Good luck to our boys as they bowl against Marist and De La Salle this week. On Thursday, the varsity hockey team defeated Carmel Catholic 2-1. Crusader goals were scored by Sean Curtin and Sean Moran. Goalie Matt Cunningham continued his solid plan in net. Good luck to our skating Crusaders as they take on St. Ignatius and Marmon Academy this week.
On Friday, Brother Rice quarterback Jack Lausch was named Chicago Sun-Times Player of the Year. Lausch finished the season with over 2,400 yards passing and over 1,000 yards rushing. He accounted for 41 touchdowns as a passer and rusher. Congratulations, Jack.